Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are related to lesson number 6, tertiary economic activity for the subject geography for science students, 12th standard science students. So let us start with the first question. The sectors are classified into public and private sectors on the basis of dash. Employment conditions, the nature of economic activities, number of workers employed, and ownership of the enterprise. So who is the owner? The owner is a government or the owner is a particular person. So based on the owner, you can decide whether your enterprise or your sector or a company is public or a private. So option D is the right answer. Next question. When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of the dash. So the options are secondary sector, tertiary sector, primary sector, and organized sector. So the right answer is primary sector, because primary sector or a primary occupation is only dependent on the natural resource or on the nature. Next question. Which of the following is included in tertiary sectors? Options are ATM booths, call centers, internet cafe, and all of them. So the right answer is all of them, because all these three options are included in the tertiary or a service sector. They give us a service. Next question. Government owns most of the assets and provide all the services. So in which sector a government is the owner? So options are private sector, public sector, organized sector, and tertiary sector. So the right answer is public sector. Next question. Dash refers to the activities which are undertaken by the people with the object of earning money. So the options are economic activity, political activity, social activity, or international activity. So the right answer is economic activity, because only this activity has a main aim to earn money. Next question. A housewife looking after the household is an example of dash. Options are non-economic activity, economic activity, tertiary activity, and secondary activity. So this is completely non-economic activity which is done free of cost. So it will be considered as non-economic activity. Next question. The objective of public sector is to maximize profit. State whether true or false. So the right answer is false. The public sector is never having an objective to gain a profit. It is always established for the welfare of human beings. So this statement is totally false. Tertiary sectors is also called as dash. Options are service sector, tertiary, primary, and government. So the right answer is service sector, because along with trade and transport, you also include all the service sector inside the tertiary sectors. Next question. Communication and banking come under dash sector. So the options are tertiary, primary, government, and private companies. So the right answer is tertiary. Along with trade and transport, even communication is included. Even the banking is also included, which provides the services. So these are also under the tertiary economic activity. Now the last question is, in the public sector, the dash owns most of the assets and provides all the services. So the options are service sector, tertiary sector, primary sector, or government. So the right answer is government, because in public sector, the government is the owner and he is going to own all the assets and provide the services accordingly. So this is all about the assignment which is related to lesson number 6, tertiary economic activities. So thank you for watching.